Imagine this tiny marble in my hand is the Earth, home to 8 billion humans. Now, imagine a giant container that could hold 1.3 million of these marbles. That is our Sun. In my previous shorts, many of you were shocked by this number. But how does science explain this mind-bending scale? Today, we will break down the secrets of cosmic volume. Before we get to the Sun, let's look at our neighbors. You would need 50 moons to fill one Earth. But Jupiter, you'd need 1,300 Earths to fill it. And the Sun is 1,000 times larger than Jupiter. One of our viewers said that we are the size of an atom, mathematically speaking. If the Sun were the size of your front door, Earth would only be the size of a small coin. And us. We are completely invisible. Yet our Sun is just a dwarf star. A star like UY Scuti could hold 5 billion suns. This scale keeps expanding far beyond our imagination. Knowing how small we are shouldn't make us feel insignificant, but rather make our existence feel more precious. How much further do you want us to explore this scale? Let me know in the comments.